Hello everyone. Welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about how to enable the maintenance mode. So basically we first try to understand why we need to enable the maintenance mode. So basically maintenance mode we used to enable whenever we are doing some type of a deployment or some whenever our backend system is down at that point of time. So we are showing some common error to everyone end users. Okay, so that's the reason that we enable maintenance mode. So now in this video, we try to understand what are the steps we need to follow to enable the maintenance mode in Power Pages. Okay. So basically first you need to go admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. Okay. So here you need to go. Once you landed to this page, as you can see on the screen, the left hand side, you are able to see the manage button. Click on the manage button. Once you have clicked on the manage button, then the right hand side, you can see the environments are there, like a testing environment, UAT environment, dev environment. So now you need to decide which environment site you want to disable. So in my scenario, I'm choosing a developer environment, Power Pages site I want to disable. So I'm selecting a dev environment. Okay, so you can see here I'm going here inside and I'm selecting it as a dev environment. So after entering inside, there you can see on the top ribbon there is a resources button is there. Okay, click on the resources button. Once you have clicked on the resources button, then a multiple options will be get displayed. In this, you need to select Power Pages sites. Okay, so now you have selected the Power Pages site. So as you can see on the screen, I have one Power Pages site that's called as a Dev Portals Joyful Learning 365. So now what I'm doing here, I'm going here and see, as you can see on the screen, I'm clicking again, it and a manage. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, I clicked on the manage button. So after loading this manage button, so on the top, you are able to see there is a see this is the site which I was planning to disable, and you can see in the browser perspective also this is the site which will be I'm going to disable, enable a maintenance mode. So whenever I use URL I'll hit, then immediately it should go appear as a enable mode. Okay, maintenance mode. Okay, so now I'm going here in developer environment. On the top ribbon again I am able to see the site actions. So here we have multiple options are there. So in the site actions I need to select enable maintenance mode. Okay, here you have two options. For example, as a vanilla, Microsoft will provide you a maintenance board, a inbuilt one format is there that will be there. So if you want to use that one, you can select the default one. Else you want to design a custom page, you can select the custom page and you can give the custom URL of that page. Okay, simply. But in my perspective, I don't want to do any customization. So as of now, I'm selecting it as a default page. Just I want to show the audience that my site was in a maintenance mode. So now I have selected it as a default mode, and after that I'm clicking on the enable button. So once I have clicked on the enable button, as you can see on the screen, it's getting syncing. Okay, now if I will go here, you can see the changes will not reflect immediately. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, still maintenance mode is not able to see. The reason is, so as you know that whatever the changes will do in a Power Pages, it will reflect, it will be as per the SLA of the Microsoft itself, 5 minutes. So I want it immediately. What I'll do here, I'll go the same here and I will try to restart a site to see the immediate changes, so that at least my whatever the changes are there, right? So that after restarting a site, those changes will be get impacted again. Okay, so now I'll see here, refresh my screen multiple times. So instead of this one, I'll go to a private window so that the cache will be not there. So here instead of cache and this one, let's see, still it's, so as you can see on the screen, after refreshing multiple times, now it's showing a why not 3 error, which the reason is that just now I have restarted, right? So as you can see now, we are able to see the website under maintenance. This website is currently undergoing a scheduled maintenance. We should back you shortly. So this is how we can our website maintenance mode. So it's very straightforward way, but just we need to just go and do some changes in the site actions, then it will be start appearing as a enabled mode. So this is after, you need to remember that whatever the changes you are doing, yeah, it might be deployment or you are fixing some issue. After doing that one, again you need to follow the same step here. Once you reach to here, the step, you can see site action. You can see earlier, we are able to see the configure or enable disable maintenance board, but now you can see on the screen it's a configure or disable maintenance. So earlier it is a enable, now it is appearing it as a disable. Okay, so once you get clicked on this one, and again after some time you can restart, or else after some time automatically it will show, the site will get updated. Okay, so this is how we can see. So you need to remember that if you are enabling the maintenance mode, and whatever the activity you are planning to do, once that activity has been completed, then again you need to make sure to disable that maintenance mode also. That's it for the today. Thank you very much for watching Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel.